Alrighty?
Yeah, you will.
Kids, take your parents' hands and take one step back, please. Alright? Alrighty, here we go. You guys, we don't know which way he's going to land, so get back here for me, alright? Alright.
We hope he's going to land on the box.
All set there already. We're going to come down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright? You know, Drunky might be a little nervous right now. He could probably use some encouragement. What do you say? Put your hands together, make some noise.